Guys, welcome to episode one of React Gotchas. So, in this episode, we will be talking about state in functional components. As you can see, in those components, we are using a normal variable here, the count variable, to keep track of our counter, right? It updates and logs correctly in the console, which is here. But notice something weird. The UI does not update when the button is clicked. So here I am trying to click the button and nothing is happening. So why is that? Well, the reason is because React won't re-render the component unless state is managed properly. When we just use a regular variable here, count, React has no idea that anything changed, so no re-render happens. This is a classic beginner mistake when working with functional components. So what we are going to do is we are going to change this from account to a use state. So we already have a use state imported, which is here. So all we are going to do is create const account or set count function to save the count variable, and we put in the use state hook over here, and we start the incremental value by 0 here. So let me take off this. So what will happen is we can now change this count to set count. We can put the count variable here and increase it by 1, right? So this would enable React keep track of the count, which is here. So instead of using the variable, we use useState. useState is a React hook that tells React to keep track of the variable's value and ensures the component will re-render whenever that value changes. So if we go over here, we can see that when we click on increment, the increment variable now here is now being monitored or checked by React. Yeah, so that's it for today. Thanks for joining me on episode 1.